If you cannot see the comments on a YouTube video, or even leave a comment, there is a simple setting that could be causing it. If comments are missing from some YouTube videos, whether they are regular videos or shorts, restriction mode may be turned on. When this mode is enabled, YouTube can hide comments along with other potentially mature content. To check this setting, open the YouTube app. Tap your profile icon at the bottom right. Then tap the settings gear at the top right. Next, tap General and look for Restriction Mode. If restriction mode is turned on, simply turn it off. Once it's disabled, comments should become available again where comments are normally allowed. Keep in mind that some videos may still have comments disabled by the creator. So turning off restriction mode won't restore comments on videos where the creator has intentionally disabled them. If this video helped you fix the problem, like the video, subscribe to the channel, and share it with your family and friends so they can find the solution too. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.